Hello, it's Marlena from Fair Oaks Library, and today I am here to talk to you about Juneteenth. So, first things first, what is Juneteenth? Well, over 2 years after President Lincoln signed the Emancipation Proclamation, the last remaining slaves in Texas received news that they had been freed on June 19, 1865. A year later marked the day of celebration for this day, which brings us the day Juneteenth. For decades, there has been celebrations across the country commemorating this day. Some host festivals, family reunions, barbecues, and a whole bunch of other ways to celebrate. So there's a lot of ways that you can celebrate Juneteenth at home. What I'll personally be doing is I'm going to be catching up on a couple of books and movies. One of my favorite movies, Kingdom Katwe, starring Lupita Nyong'o. I highly recommend it. It's a very good movie. A classic by Spike Lee, Do the Right Thing, is a good movie too. Brown Girl Rising is a new movie, but I'm looking forward to checking this out. These are all movies you can check out at our libraries as well. Shuri, the comic book, which is a character based off the popular movies, Black Panther. So I would definitely be checking a couple of these out. There are multiple ways that you can also celebrate with family at home too. For example, you could check out our Hoopla collection, which is free if you have a library card. It's free to make an account. There is a fantastic selection under the Conversations About Race category. I highly recommend checking out. They've got a great selection of audiobooks, movies, music. 10 out of 10 definitely recommend at least checking it out. Another way to recommend, I know a lot of us are stuck at home right now, so try checking out some recipes online. Even our library is open again. You can come to our library and check out our cookbook selection and just celebrate with friends and family. That's what all this is about. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have a very happy Juneteenth this year.